Hello students. Hello students. Today we will discuss bitwise operator. What is bitwise operators and what are the different operators available in Python? We will discuss all these things. So, bitwise operators perform operations on bits. The following are the different bitwise operators available in Python. Here we have AND bitwise operator, that is OR bitwise operator, XOR bitwise operator, and right shift bitwise operator, left shift bitwise operator, and ones complement bitwise operator. We will see all these in detail. So let's start. So here we have first bitwise operator, that is AND bitwise operators. AND bitwise operators perform AND logical operations on bits. Let's take an example. So if we want to AND, if we want to add two numbers with ending then 10 and 20, then the resultant value will be 0. So how would it be happen? For this there is certain steps. So in first step, step 1, convert the decimal number 10 into its binary number. That would be for 10, the number would be 4 times 0, 1010, and for 20 would be 0001010. So we have converted decimal numbers 10 and 20 into its binary number. Now the second steps we will follow. Step 2, here add these two binary numbers with AND bitwise operator. So something like this. One zero one zero, that is equivalent 10, and here that is for 20. So in between them we apply ending, and finally we got the answer of this number. So there will be 00000000. This is the final answer. Now if we want to clarify this answer, how we will clarify here? We will just check it out on the interactive mode. Let's move there. This is the interactive mode, and in this mode we apply all these values 10 and 20, and after pressing the enter we will find the answer. So answer is 0 that we have seen. Now what is the value of 10 in binary? So how we will check? Bin of 10 here. This is the binary value of 10. So in here this is the starting number of 0b that indicates the binary number, and this is the value of 10. Same like if we find the value of 20, then the answer would be 10100, through which we can easily identify the value of 10 and 20. And something like this you can check any kind of values. So to identify the ANDing bitwise operator, first we have to change the decimal value into the binary number, then after we can AND or add these two binary value, and then we will find the resultant value. That's all in this session. Thank you.